Formulated by Albert Einstein in 1905, the theory of relativity is the notion that the laws of physics are the same everywhere. The theory explains the behavior of objects in space and time, and it can be used to predict everything from the existence of black holes to light bending due to gravity, to the behavior of the planet Mercury in its orbit. The implications of Einstein's most famous theory are profound. If the speed of light is always the same, it means that an astronaut going very fast relative to the Earth will measure the seconds ticking by slower than an earthbound observer will time essentially slow down for the astronaut, phenomenon called time dilation. Any object in a big gravity field is accelerating, so it will also experience time dilation. Meanwhile, the astronaut's spaceship will experience length contraction, which means that if you took a picture of the spacecraft as it flew by, it would look as though it were squished in the direction of motion. To the astronaut on board, however, all would seem very normal. In addition, the mass of the spaceship would appear to increase from the point of view of people on Earth. But you don't necessarily need a spaceship zooming at near the speed of light to see relativistic effects. In fact, there are several instances of relativity that we can see in our daily lives, and even technology we use today that demonstrate that Einstein was right. Electromagnets. Electrical transmission towers support wires that carry electricity from power plant to homes. Magnetism is a relativistic effect, and if you use electricity, you can thank relativity for the fact that generators work at all. But now, picture the wire at rest and imagine the magnet is moving. In this case, the charged particle in the wire, the electrons and protons, aren't moving anymore. So, the magnetic field shouldn't be affecting them, but it does, and the current still flows. This shows that there is no privileged frame of reference, since this is the core principle behind transformers and electric generators. Anyone who uses electricity is experiencing the effect of relativity. Overall, Einstein's special relativity had a major impact on the field of physics, in the calculation and understanding of high-velocity phenomena, and an even more important effect on our ways of thinking. Our understanding of space and time is much greater now than it was the turn of the century.